Here's a 2015 Chevy Silverado double cab, 39,000 mile, one owner with a clean Carfax, and really a pretty hunter green. This is a color long forgotten in the car business, I feel. You know, you can't get this color in a lot of vehicles, but Chevy does it right. Let's kind of go over this truck a little bit. You have the halogen headlamps there. We do have the integrated halogen fogs. Got the full chrome lower bumper fascia with your classic chrome grille there with honeycomb. Also has a nice black bug shield on the front. Continue around to the side. We got your standard 17-inch 5-spoke alloy wheel. Very good tires, 3/4 tread or better, probably 8/32 to tread. And if you see, you have a nice resurfaced rotor and thick brake pad there. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at Thomas. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. You can find the results of that inspection signed off by the technician that performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. As we take a look through the passenger side front seat area, you'll see that it has light gray cloth covered seating. Also, it's the 40-20-40 split bench seat with the fold down center console, which is nice. Gives you a 6-passenger option. As you can see, otherwise a black on black look here with the carpet and the dash. Also, it does have the all weather mats here. As you can see, the slush mats, which is nice form fit into the floor there. You can see the styling as it goes to the door panel. Now, as we open up the back, now like I say, this is the double cab, so a little less space in the crew cab, but you can see very ample leg, hip, and shoulder room. And you know, look, you got the slush mats in the back there as well, so plenty of room there for you and your rear occupants. Also want to show you the vehicle is well accessorized. It does have the matching vent visors there to the bug shield. Also has the black tube steps door to door and the factory splash guards on the front and rear as well, as you can see there. Also, again, matching wheel and tire dueler, about the same tread as the front. Also like to give you a shot of the frame rail that you can see there. No oxidation issues on that frame rail at all. Continue around to the back here. As you can see, there's the LT badging. It does have the factory backup camera, class 3 tow hitch. Has a 7-way round 4-way flat trailer connector. You can see a brand new spare tire there. So that's a nice feature as well. Working our way around to the driver's side rear again. Matching wheel, matching dueler tires, same depth as the rest. You see there, it's a little dark, I know, but you can see no rust on that frame rail either. We'll continue up the driver's side here and give you a peek through the driver's side rear, just to give you a different angle, but you can see very clean interior, no rips, tears, stains, or odors. The previous owner was a non-smoker. Then we'll just take a peek through the front. Again, as you can see, full power seat on the driver's side here on the front, which is nice, including lumbar. Now, before we get into the inside tour, I'd like to show you the keys. You can see we do have 2 keys, laser cut, integrated fob with the factory remote start, which is another nice option. As we continue the tour, we got your window child locks and window locks there. We got your power windows, your power locks, and your power mirrors, all located on the door. Let's go ahead and jump in here. And start this truck up so you can see the exact miles. And turn the lights on since we're inside. Kind of illuminated a little bit here. But there you can see 39,568 original miles. Let's keep the tour going here. There's your dimmer for your interiors. There's your electronic shift on the fly 4-wheel drive transfer case. Excuse me, there's your headlamp controls. Push for your fogs. And it does have the auto headlamp setting. Stem to the left is your high beams, turn signals, intermittent wiper washers. Have your cruise control to the left side of the wheel. Does have Bluetooth, as you can see. It's your control pad for your dash. Right now it's telling you that your estimated fuel range is 184 miles. 100% oil life. There's your tire pressure monitoring system. There's your average fuel economy, digital speedometer, your different tripometers. So all of that can be controlled and confirmed with that control pad right there. It's a standard issue AM, FM, satellite radio, touch screen. As you can see, it does have the ability to pair your phone. Now it does not have the factory nav. But it's very well equipped otherwise. It does have dual climate control, automatic temperature setting. Also have the ability to shut off your traction control, turn on your cargo light there. 3 large cup holders in the drop down here. You do have a 12-volt power supply right here as well as a little cubby there to keep some items. As we open this up, there's all your connectivity. I know it's hard to see here, guys, but you got 2 USB ports. You got an audio pre-in, you got another 12-volt power supply, all located in that center console. Also, of course, all GM vehicles come equipped with the OnStar. We do have LED map lights on here as well, as you can see. Should turn them on earlier so we can see a little better. And you also, I believe, have illuminated visors. Yes, there they are. They get charged up. Boom. So very, very well equipped. Let's go ahead and pop the hood here so we can take a peek underneath. Now, I'm sure this vehicle probably has the 5.3 liter Vortec V8 engine. That's a classic tried and true engine that has been used by Chevrolet for a long, long time. Let's go ahead and pop the hood here, and that's what we got. But very clean, very quiet, no exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks, no corrosion on any of the electrical contents or contacts, excuse me. You can tell it's been very well maintained by the previous owner. I'm going to shut the truck off and we'll get into the last portion of the video. One thing I really think helps differentiate us as a business and a brand is complete transparency and upfront. Like explained, we keep a full mechanical evaluation of the vehicle in the glove box. We keep a copy of the auto history report right on the dash. The last part of making an informed buying decision is cosmetic imperfections, which I'm going to try to walk around here. Now, it's a little dark. Our normal photo video studio is temporary under construction, so I'm working out of the shop here. But I'll do my very best to not miss anything here as we continue down this side. Now, I did notice there's a very, and it's hard to see, small, tiny little dent on that back door. And I did notice one right here on this bed side as well. It's going to be real hard for you guys to see, but they're very tiny, small little dents. Also there, I did notice a scratch here on the back side of the tailgate. Otherwise, the rest of the tailgate looks pretty good. A couple little minor, small little dings and chips here down around that lower portion, but the chrome bumper looks fine. I didn't notice any dings or dents in it. Couple little scratches here coming down by this four-wheel drive logo here, and let's see if we have a couple little scratch there, a couple more right here on this corner. I mean, on trucks you're always going to get a couple little scratches around the bed area, excuse me, and tailgate. But otherwise, other than those two small dents, handful of scratches that I showed you, everything else looks really, really good on this truck. A couple little stone chips here across the front. Not many on the hood though. I really haven't noticed any chips. I think the bug guard did a very good job of protecting it. So excellent, like new alternative here, guys. Still does have some remaining powertrain warranty transferable from Chevrolet to the next owner, so you can buy this truck with confidence. If you're interested, there's a few ways of getting a hold of us. Look us up on the web at www.thomasata.com. Give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.